So this is a simple video on how to design a simple logo for your business or event using your phone. And the app we're going to be using is called Canva, Canva. You can get it from the Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're using an iOS device. So I have my Canva here. So if you look around here, it's at the base here. So I click on it. So, okay, this is the work I was doing before. So once it opens, it takes you to displays. So what you get to see here is you get to see a lot of templates you can use for your design. So but let me make it easy. You see this bar here, up here, you see the search bar up here. So what you do in the search bar, you just type logo. So there are many kinds of logo to show you, but let's stick with the first one, logo. So we click on that. So it gives us several templates. You can do a blank one, but since we're new to this thing, let's just start with a very basic one. So you can scroll down to see different templates you can use. So watch out for the ones written free. Those are the ones you can use for free. Anyone that has currencies and all that under it, don't bother using them. You have to pay for that, but let's use the free one, okay? So the different free ones. So let's just keep scrolling. See some really lovely ones and all that. So, but you can go ahead and scroll as much as you want. But let's pick one. I like this Lakpay. So let's click this Lakpay. So let's say we're designing a logo for a simple company, whatever we do, I don't know, but let's just pick it up. So once you click this, you click on edit so that it can load the template for you. So right now, this is where we are. You can change whatever is here, all right, the color of the background. If you look at me, see this is the background. If you click on it, see the background, you can change the color to whatever you want. You see, different things. So if you even want the color palette, you can always use the palette to, play around with your colors and all that. All right. So once you get it done, all right, then that's for the background color. So maybe this element here, you can pick on it and expand it. So that's the middle element. All right. You can also use the big one and expand it. So you see what I'm doing, right? So you can play around it however you want and all that. You can always undo. All right. So let me just undo that. So let me pick the big one and make it bigger. You can move it to centralize it. Maybe this little one, I can move it in. Anyway, if I don't want it, I can just click on it and just click on the delete button up here. If you look up here, you see the delete button. So I click on it, that's gone. So it's just this, like B. So what do I do? So I can edit the lag bay here. So click on it. You can always change what is there. So let's change it to maybe name of your company is Butiro, for example. All right. So I can always click on it and push it down. All right. So whatever you can adjust that. You can change the color of the font to anything you want to change it to. All right. Anyhow you want it. You can even change the font to other fonts. So if you click here, where you click on the font, you see other fonts. So you click on it. So you go down and you can always change the font style to whatever you want. See, I'm changing my font styles right now. Okay. All right. So whichever you want. So whichever one. So we're trying to keep it simple. There are other controls, but let's keep it very simple. I can make the background. Maybe I want to make the background white. So maybe I change the color. So you're like, wow, but everything looks yellow now. So I can go there. Maybe I want to make the yellow reddish. Okay, fine. Bituro, maybe I want to make it that. However you want to do, you can always play around it. Okay. So we have that. So let's not even waste much time. With this, we can already fly with this as our logo. It's a simple logo, but it's a good place to start. All right. With more practice, you'll learn more using it. So let's download our logo. How do we download our logo? If you look at the screen, you see this arrow sign in your top left, your top right, pointing downwards. So you can click on it, and the one will move across your screen. So once that is done, it has downloaded it to your gallery. But I don't want to share with anybody yet. You can also, okay, these are just promos. You can also use the arrow pointing up depending on what you see. So if you click on it, it shows you the same thing. You want to save image, save as, all that. So let's just click save image. All right. So same thing as what we did. If you want to share it, you can as well share it. But if not, you can just let it be, and you saved your design. So it's saved. Of course, this app works online. If you don't have data, if you're not connected to the internet, you can't really use it. So we've done a simple logo already. So let's see what our logo looks like. So let's go to our gallery, And where's my gallery? Okay, fine, gallery. Okay. Oh, look at you. Yeah, zero. So the logo is done. You can always import it to any documents and all that. So this is a simple way to get started from novice to a logo. You can explore other templates and see other things you can do with the logo. All right. So thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel to get more of these videos. I'll do a lot more later. Thank you.